The phone is receiving its latest software update with firmware version 17.1810.2003.144 that brings the March security patch for Android as well as Jio Wi-Fi calling, VoWiFi support in India. The update is rolling out over the air, OTA, and can also be downloaded manually from Asus ZenTalk forum. The new update for Asus 6Z, apart from bringing the March security patch and Reliance Jio Wi-Fi calling, also adds a pop-up confirmation dialog whenever a third-party application running in the background requests access to the front camera. Apart from these, the Asus 6Z update also optimizes system stability, according to the changelog, which also mentions VoWiFi for a carrier in Sweden. The Asus 6Z update announcement was made on Asus ZenTalk, the official forum for Asus users. The listing shows that the update was released on Monday,